People's Live. Kapamilya, maraming salamat po for joining us. Walang kapantay po ang ating pinagsamahan for the past 30 years.
Cheers to 30 years. Here's to 30 years and more. 30 years and beyond. From the moment ASAP was born, I was there. So please, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much. We love you.
And it's our pleasure to always bring you the best musical performances, not to mention ang pinakamasaya yung mga kuntuhan. At this point, tawagin natin ang ating mga kapamilya. Salamat sa lahat na nakasama natin. Bini! Woohoo! PGYO! Kimpo! Bamboo! Piola Pascual! And
Vice Ganda! At syempre sa lahat ng ating Pinoy Pride guests, ito po ang munti naming paraan to be at your service dahil lagi po kami nagpapasalamat sa inyong suporta, pagmamahal, at patuloy na pag-angat ng Pinoy Pride.
we love you, kapamilya! We love you, England! Salamat sa inyo lahat! Wala munang uuwi! Kasi magkakantahan at magsasayawan pa po tayo. ASAP 30 celebration continues dito lang sa ASAP in England!
Kanina pa tayo narito, pero ano ba? Gusto nyo pa ba? Well, we heard you. And because you want more, we will give you more.
Thank you so much, kapamilya in England. You are all so beautiful. Are you ready?